favorite YouTuber here again, Mr. Roberto. Got my race car here, got some stickers on it. As you can see, you've probably seen the last video, so see my decal. Well, I went and did something. It's kind of cool. It's actually really cool. I don't know, me and some buddies were talking about maybe shooting ether in a line to the intake, whatever, and it got me thinking, there's freaking people that huff that nitrous, you know, for whipped cream. So I was like, well, it's nitrous, so I was like, you know, let's rig something up to where I'm gonna put freaking nitrous in my dang race car. All right, I should advise right off the gate, you probably shouldn't do this at home. So do not try this at home. Take it or leave it. No, take it. Don't freaking do it. Or just don't. All right. So I figured I'd go through and show you guys how I put nitrous on my car here. And this is actually fairly cheap. It cost me about $35, and including the nitrous. So it's a $45 nitrous kit. It's not no heavy shot or anything like that. I did take it for a test drive, and it's noticeable. It's not no put you back in your seat and freaking hold on dear life type nitrous, whatever. But at the same time, it's kind of cool. It's pretty freaking cool. So what I did here, as you can see, I got this Chinsey line, which in heat, whatever, it's kind of getting flimsy. So I don't know, I might wrap it in tinfoil. But it had this thing here. I just left it under there so I could show you guys. This was stabbed into there, so I just pulled that out. I don't want to throw it in my yard. But I pulled this out, put a bunch of duct tape around the end, a little metal fitting there, whatever, was just for an air hose on the end of the line, so it'd stick in there. And I stabbed her in there, ran her through. There was already a little hole in the freaking thing for wires to go through, so I pulled that chinga out. And I did this right here. This right here, it's a canister for making whipping cream. So you put whipped cream in there, or like what would it be, like half and half, or however, the heavy cream. You'd put heavy cream in there and somehow make whipped cream, and then you do these freaking little nitrous canisters like this. So I was like, well, this is freaking nitrous, so I mean, it should work in all reality, and I mean, it does work. It's pretty cool. This here, that was $25. The line was $10, and there was $10 for a package of 24 of the little 24 shots of nitrous. But in all reality, I can get up to 3 so far into this canister. So I'll kind of show you guys how this works, and maybe actually we'll go for a cruise. Go ahead and close the hood. You done seen the goods up here. Have my awesome camera lady look inside here. I'll show you guys how to do this. All right, what you do? Well, oh, and then there's one shot. A little bit bleed off. Shoot her in the back seat. Put another one in. Oh, you gotta go fast. You gotta do that fast. Otherwise you'll lose some. All right, there's, dang it, lost a little more. All right, we got 3 shots in that bastard. So go ahead and put the dogs away, and then we'll go for a cruise. Even though this thing probably shouldn't drive it on the road much, so we're gonna teleport down to Mexico or something. All right, we'll put the dogs away. Be right back. All right, getting on the road here in Mexico. As you can see, I got my nitrous in hand. And then floor it. Wait for it to shift, and then, oh buddy. Oh, hey. See, we're in Mexico, so I'm abiding by all speed limits and all that stuff. I don't really want to give up the goods. I mean, because some of my buddies, none of my buddies watch my videos, so I think I'm gonna be all right. In this freaking race, it might give me the whole shot. I mean, so what I'll do here, I'll go ahead and load her up. Show you guys how to do that. That one there was 3 shots. I'll just do 1 shot just to show you guys how it works. So you put that in there. It's because it seems like when I do more than 1 shot, it wants to leak off once you do. You got to do this fairly fast, and this isn't the most quality container, so probably buy a little. You see, when you just do 1, it's pretty sealed in there. So So all right, we'll go ahead and hit this again. Once again, do not try this at home. We are in Mexico. Gotta wait for this Mexican traffic to go by. Pretty nice cars from Mexico, let me tell you. Actually, I've been down to Mexico. It's kind of crazy. Their cars down there are pretty freaking neat. There's all kinds of different ones. Heavy traffic day here in Rosarito. All right, Chingao. Here we go. Floor it. Second gear. Nitrous. Yeah, buddy. All right. Better shut it off. Don't want to show them how to get to our house here. Our house in Mexico. And that there is how to do a $45 Hillbilly Nitrous kit. Even though you shouldn't try that at home. You should not try that at home. And thanks for watching. Stay freaking beautiful.